Oh yeah, welcome to BK Celebrity News. Of course, our usual journalist is not around. That is Mr. Pio because he's not feeling well. And of course, tonight, as you always know, it is Azande Prince behind the camera, and that's a professional cinematographer all the way from Bazande Pictures. Yeah, pameda ni furacha pahane me ne bipa mwenye bokindo ngaga Azande. Gipale na tarogo social media everywhere. Wale. Azande na mwenye bokindo. Gini pane kuliro yo magi ogupane. Gumonga Azande duwo mi wamo. Gini pane kuliro yo. So chinende upanga aboro bamana. Andunguna benani wa boro saka bamana chepo kupanga imwe gani bokindo. Azande nusunga wale wo kulingime wo gwa boro adunga nzele mekuliyo ya begu panga bokindo ho wale nga gani nga Azande ta. So gi process le gini chosolo chini. Azande mangiro gozo gino nga too much ogyo reka zogyo ogyo reka wali yani keni nyanya we budodo ya panga ndi bamana kandu kambira buda. I think ogwo million kadwa wale kachidungo too much. Mana kina chironi nga Azande gino na ba mana chini mwe bokindo ya mana kina berani mana kina baboro mana kina Bazande Azande reka zogyo boro kina boro Azande reka kina vuru yembe ozatu mana kina beyo. We have prominent businessmen, we have prominent leaders, we have leaders within the Juba. Kindi kipaboro kina berani nga Azande ani dunguna nga berani wa boro saka ba mana gipadule politics nganita ani jishasa kusagi dule nabi pasino na ninga shina Azande paina manga walenga wuli Azande no boy ndiko guyana raka rogo refugee settlements yo guyana raka rogo kurali ngala gu language nga Azande chima tunakago kusayo parani nga Azande chibelevete ogude na wuli kakura afugo kya bombi ko bon ona zina henga me shina Azande ndukumbata ete gupana ndumbata nga weni vungo gude eke kushuru china adwe belevete borona vunga wuli nikini moleka tono ubesi so shina nani nakbataka kusayo dule yeye mana kina berani mana kina be paranga no boy na mana beyo kanyanyane me girlfriend na mbaro ngami ne ku koroyo mine ke biro mubanga manata mukushinga mana kyame mujiboda kiara mine kada fa koronote nyine para pa duchi gbalimo na kajogu 5000 ne kifuru chepo kupanga yemo ibokino nga Azande. Yeah, of course minafugi senefu gani uli bakumanga Wilson nga manager konga Christine Debu kwa Australia yo, John Libunani kwa Australia yo, gani uli bakumanga Joseph Bakosoro kujuba yo, Jema Nunu Kumba, Patrick Zomoy, Bishop Iboro, Abuna John Ngapia no gubagi Azande no boydunuko. I am praying that may God continue to give you the wisdom and the power to keep leading our people. And of course, minafugi senefu Azande Students Union in Uganda, Azande Kingdom worldwide, Sweet J fans chat room and all the other platforms of the young people. And of course, as usual, as you know, of course, behind the camera is Azande Prince, a celebrated cinematographer all the way from Bazande Pictures Media. Thank you so much for hosting us this evening, for giving us the program. May God bless you. Thank you.